Thank you for your purchase on Toysphere, Victor Tricycle. This tricycle comes with classy design, strong body base, under-seat storage, wide rear wheelbase, stylish headlight, light and music system. This tricycle is easy to assemble by using some simple steps. You would be needing a screwdriver and a piler for assembling. In the first step, place headlight complete to main body and lock it with provided handle pin. Now place front wheel to the handle and unlock it with provided nuts. It's time to place 2 AA batteries to the musical head to activate light and music. Place musical tray to the handle. Do not forget to connect its wires with headlight connector. For finishing touch, place backrest to the main body. Isn't that very simple and fun? Your Toysphere Victor Tricycle is now ready to use. Toysphere. World of Toys.